Hi friends! Today we're stepping inside a modern chicken factory to discover how millions of chicks are carefully cared for, raised and managed. We'll see the technology, workers and fascinating systems behind this massive operation. Let's begin.
Now that you've seen how the chicks begin their journey, let's take a closer look at how they are raised and cared for inside this massive facility.
As the chicks grow, their needs begin to change. Workers closely monitor their size, activity, feeding, and overall condition. The automated feeding lines continue supplying feed throughout the house, while fresh water remains available through dedicated drinking systems. At the same time, workers inspect the flock from different sections, looking for anything unusual and making sure the equipment is working properly. Inside a large poultry house, maintaining the right environment is extremely important. Thousands of birds produce heat and moisture as they grow. Large ventilation fans continuously move fresh air through the building and help control temperature and humidity. Workers regularly check these systems because a ventilation problem can quickly affect a large flock. Health monitoring continues throughout the growing period. Workers observe how the chickens move, eat, drink, and respond to their surroundings. If a bird appears weak or behaves differently, trained personnel can identify it and take appropriate action according to the facility's procedures. This constant monitoring helps workers detect potential problems before they can affect a larger part of the flock. Feed is one of the most important parts of broiler production because growing chickens require carefully managed nutrition. Modern feeding systems distribute feed along long lines, allowing many birds to eat without workers manually feeding each one. Workers inspect the feeders regularly, making sure the lines are functioning correctly and feed is reaching the birds. Water management is just as important as feeding. The drinking lines are positioned throughout the poultry house so birds can access water easily. Workers check the lines and connections regularly and make sure the system remains clean and operational. Even a small equipment failure can affect many birds, which is why these checks are performed routinely.